This short clip was from a classic film called Mother India, made in 1957, about 10 years after our independence. Nearly 70% of India's population then lived in villages, and survival was a daily challenge. More than 50% of India's population, half a billion people, today in 2010 still live in villages. But the villagers of today are not so vulnerable. Rapidly increasing economic growth over the last 20 years has brought in many changes around the Indian countryside. Infrastructure has vastly improved. Many forms of connectivities, be it better roads, FM radio, satellite television, mobile phones, or the internet, have interconnected Indian villages to each other and to the world as never before. But the economic growth around the countryside is not yet equitably distributed. Poverty and helplessness of landless tillers still live side by side with mechanized farming and wealth creation of rich landowners. Political economy is driving radical opportunities like the new Rural Employment Guarantee Act. But the paradigm shift through the acts and legislations must be complemented by sustained social innovation efforts at the grassroots level. The case study of the DEAL project, that is the project called Digital Ecosystem for Agriculture and Rural Livelihood at IIT Kanpur under OPALS, is a project about creating horizontal knowledge networks and multiple feedback loops. It is a project about digitally fostering, nurturing, facilitating multiple conversations across the social strata that run parallel to usual vertical knowledge diffusion networks run by the formal administration system. This diagram shows the vertical diffusion model of the official agricultural knowledge system, for example. And the next slide shows the conceptual model and our current learnings from the DEAL project about knowledge exchange at grassroots level. We realize that we still haven't cracked the tough core of the problem. The problem of generating new capabilities at the base of the pyramid. It is only the new capabilities and innovation at grassroots level that will enable the increasing number of landless rural labor force to find new livelihood mechanisms and new sustenance. There are great opportunities and intricate challenges. The new script for Mother India is yet to be written. But whatever may be the script, we are quite sure that the key lies in knowledge exchange, and network of innovations at grassroots level.